speaker is John Rees. He's from the People's Assembly.
Well, you know, I think it's very clear that we face the most dramatic and serious crisis for 2 generations, an unprecedented cost of living crisis. And now, a recession threatened to last a year, which will put nearly 1 million people on the dole, according to the Bank of England. And thirdly, a vicious, racist government that is determined to take away our right to strike, our right to be in a union, our right to protest on the streets, our freedom of expression. This triple crisis will take everything that we have to defeat it. But we have the power to defeat this government. As long as we remember this, that working people come in every conceivable shape and size. There are no barriers to being in the working class, whatever race you are, whatever colour you are. We are men and women. We love in a variety of different ways. We come from many different countries. We work in many different industries. But if we are united, we can take them down. And you know, this is a government, it's a government which likes to boast about diversity. It likes to boast about what a diverse cabinet there is. And you know, I look at this government and I see only one colour, the colour of money. That's the colour that this government is. It's a government that worships profit, that can see no person that it wouldn't impoverish if it builds their profits, no person that it wouldn't humiliate, no person that it wouldn't see ill or suffering if it made them a profit. And we have to say the vast majority of ordinary working people in this country do not share those values. We want free health care. We want houses over people's heads. We want them to be able to eat and eat. We want them to be able to enjoy a full life with their families and to bring up their children and their grandchildren in a society which won't punish them. We want them educated. And to do that, we have got to fight for our lives. And the People's Assembly will be calling a demonstration around the country on the 19th. It will be calling an activist conference early next year so that every strand of this movement, every trade union, every campaign can come together to take on this government. We have always acted as a platform to amplify your voices, to organise people who aren't yet organised, to bring together those who are organised. That's our task, because ordinary working people only have 2 strengths. They have numbers and they have organisation. And without the organisation, even the numbers won't do it. So get organised, get in your union, get on your picket line, get on the street and join us and bring this government down.
Thank you so much, John. So you heard it here first on the 19th of November. Local groups of the People's Assembly will be organising local action. Please check out all of the social media platforms to find out more details of that. And if you are not a People's Assembly member yet, please become one. It starts from £0 and works its way up to different sorts of monthly payments. Our next speaker is